Hi everybody, Carol here. Marty, a student and good friend, has agreed to come and work on a piece with me today. We decided, a lot of talk about it, we decided to do a sweep and pick colors, and then depending on how it turns out, we may do some smash. We have a balloon not blown up yet, but we will get to that. We'll debate who ends up doing that one. But we're going to start having 11 by 14 inch thick canvas. Ready?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Okay, so we have here, I don't know. I decided to mix purple and a dark blue and a light blue all together. I have a blue, magenta, a red, orangey red, metallic white, the light green, and a dark green. And we thought, well, maybe with the sweep we will get some flowers. We shall see. And we're going to use a copper. I know that's a little odd, but we're going to use a copper as what to sweep with. I don't have the silicone in there, so we'll have to remember to do that. Okay, so I'm going to give this to you to do.
Okay.
I'll instruct. How's that?
That's wonderful.
Okay,
That's
so
what I'm here for.
but let me tell you how I envision it. Is this order, and we're going to go across. I figured you would do this and this on top of it near the top.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
Gotcha.
I'm going to turn you loose on this one, Marty.
Okay.
Let's see what we got. Hands away. Okay. Well, this will be interesting. I'm going to tilt it. Nope, I'm not. Now that I saw what it did. Okay. Okay. This one has never been
Fix this.
Still operating on it.
I am. Okay.
I'm going to take the stick here.
All right.
If I show this. Go. Now that I have opened it up properly, I'm going to put several drops in. Quite a few, actually. And we'll stir it in. I'm going to add a little water because it's a metallic copper, so it's a little thicker than the regular paint. So I want to thin it down a bit. I want to thin it down a little bit more. So that it glides over. Perfect. Okay. We'll see. You know how fluid acrylics
Carol's
go.
cooking.
That is true. That's so true. Okay. Now, we know this is not going to be big enough, so we're going to have to do two.
Right.
But we can do that.
Yeah.
I'm going to have you do it.
Okay.
I'll get it organized. But. Okay, so you're going to pour that on the top. While you do that, I'll get the towel. Okay, more. Keep pouring. already is. You're good. Okay, there you go. Okay, I know it's got blue on it, but hey, at this point, we're
Good.
Okay, you ready?
Good. I'm ready.
Okay,
All right.
start at one side.
I should do it like this.
Either way. You want to put that, just put paint that way. Yeah. Okay, somewhat. It didn't all work out. Okay, you want to do the next one?
Yep. It's a two-person job.
It can be. Ooh, very good. Go. You want to put paint
Yes.
on the bottom here?
Turn it around.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we need it on the sides. Ooh, it looks great on
Wow.
the sides. May not be
wow.
the. Okay, you don't want to get it on the top. Keep going. Maybe just half of it. I'm going to turn it around for you. Ready?
It's gorgeous.
Oops. Use the torch and see what we got. We may or may not use the balloon.
I know. It's really pretty.
Well, we can still, let's see what happens.
Okay.
Okay, so now the question is, Marty, do you want to do that or not?
The balloon.
Yes. Look at how it's coming up and all.
Really pretty. Could, but I'm scared.
Well, let's do it this way. Do you like it?
I love it.
Perfect. Don't touch it. There's a solution. If you love it,
Gorgeous. Oh, yeah,
Leave
it's
it.
really beautiful.
yeah, it came out good.
Yeah. I think
Look, you
it's
got a
really
little rose coming here. You've got some green here. When it's done drying, you can even put some green in there. You can expand the rose, the flowers if you want, or not.
Yeah.
You have things that you can do. So I see we kind of have some missing paint at the very top. I do not want to. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah.
Oops. Okay, we've got a little missing there, so I'm going to see if I can steal some. If I can steal it. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Okay, there we go. Voila. Okay.
Okay.
Good?
I love it.
Good.
It's great.
I think it'll be easy to figure out which way to wire it.
Oh,
huh?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then once it dries, we'll get it varnished and ready for you to hang. It's yours.
Oh, I
Very
love
good.
it.
Good job.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Marty,
Oh,
for
thank
being
you.
here. I so appreciate it. It's early in the morning here in Southern California, so Marty and I had to get here early. But it turned out fabulous.
Thank you for inviting me. This was amazing.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you for joining us. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you got anything out of this, please give it a like. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Or maybe you know someone who might enjoy this content. Please consider sharing. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.